completely immersed in the movie.
And we were all treated to the 3D world premiere of Bolt, Disney's new animated feature.
Hello?
Penny, I don't have much time.
Daddy? I don't understand.
It's okay, Penny. You have Bolt. I've altered him. He can protect you now.
Bolt, speak.
Get that dog!
Crazy!
Let it begin!
One unlikely team
Look, genius, you're not a super dog.
is on a mission to get back
He
home.
could be anywhere by now.
This is awesome!
And the comedy event of the holiday season
Bolt!
Bolt!
is about to be unleashed.
Superbar! Superbar! We need a fast set of wheels. I'll get my ball.
Bolt.
Kablam! Let it begin! Let it begin!
And I must tell you, the feeling of being immersed in the movie was spectacular. And when Mr. Katzenberg teased us all with a preview of Aliens vs. Monsters, you could hear the gasp in the audience during the action scenes. This movie with Kiefer Sutherland, Hugh Laurie, Reese Witherspoon, and of all people, Stephen Colbert as the President of the United States, is definitely going to be a monster hit. It was the same with every movie we watched. The sense of being more involved and closer to the action was amazing. You might be saying, yeah, 3D comes along every few years with a couple of movies and then dies out. Well, this time, friends, we have a pretty distinguished group of filmmakers and studios committing to 3D. All of Pixar's and DreamWorks films from now on are going to be coming out in 3D as well as 2D. Disney has a slew of new movies coming out, including A Christmas Carol starring Jim Carrey in 2009. And it's not just new movies. Beauty and the Beast is being re-released in 3D. Toy Story 1 and 2 are being redone in 3D. And the all-new Toy Story 3 is on the boards in 3D as well. And my son William's favorite, Cars, will have a sequel done in 3D, much to his delight. Now the list goes on. Fly Me to the Moon, U2 3D, Call of the Wild 3D, Alice in Wonderland, Frankenweenie, Avengers, Calling All Robots, Speed Racer 2, Fantastic Voyage, Iron Man 2, and of course, Avatar from James Cameron. Now, if you want to see a full list of the upcoming movies in 3D, go to Market Saw 3D website. It's coming across the bottom here. Now, director Richard Gabi was on hand for his new movie, Call of the Wild 3D. He talked about the challenges he faced with 3D.
It did lead to some frustration, but ultimately satisfaction. You know, looking at the film now, I can't imagine it not being in 3D. There definitely are some logistical issues. I mean, the cameras are different objects to manage. So my goal was sort of to make it feel like any other set so that the actors would feel comfortable and be able to deliver quality performances, because you know, our movie isn't really a 3D show. Our movie is a dramatic piece, and it enhances the movie. It's not something you're fighting as you watch the movie. But at a minimum, you know, 3D is here to stay in a big way.
We were treated to a viewing of the award-winning U2 3D also. I have to tell you, I don't want to watch any concert ever again any other way. After I talked to Sandy Kleiman, the CEO of 3Reality Digital Studios.
Not like the old 3D, not anaglyph, red-green glasses. And what we are doing is enabling an end-to-end solution. 3D will drive first into theaters with live broadcast and then into the home with the new generation of televisions. We're about to announce the first live 3D broadcast of an American football game. We've done the first transatlantic live broadcast in 3D. And again, we're going to announce first after first, project after project, the narrative storytelling of the next generation of films. The technology half of the company is to enable the broadcast industry with a standard 2D infrastructure to broadcast 3D. I think that dream is becoming a reality right now.
January 8th, 2009 will stand out as a banner date in the history of 3D. On that day at CES, 3Reality, Sony, Real D, and Cinedigm teamed up to present the FedEx Bowl Championship Series National Championship game between the University of Florida and the University of Oklahoma football teams. It was broadcast live in 3D, going out to an exclusive audience of 1,200 at the Consumer Electronics Show, and nationally to Cinedigm's digital cinema CineLive network of some 82 additional movie theaters that are equipped to receive and display the live stream. Okay, we're here at CES. We're at a groundbreaking event that this man and his company is basically responsible for. Back a few years ago, Real D were the people who enabled theaters to be able